May I direct Vice Chair Bel Zamora to confirm to the committee that the BIR box remains sealed.
Yes, Madam Chair, as seen from the four sides of the box remains sealed, and we still see the tape that was placed there, as well as the signature of the Commissioner. Thank you, Madam Chair.
The floor is now open for manifestation, clarificatory questions, motions regarding the question of whether or not to open the BIR box. Madam Chair. The Honorable Mika Gonzalez, and then the Honorable Laila De Lima.
Thank you, Madam Chair. That is correct, Madam Chair. Last April 2022, we laid on the table the decision on whether we should open the box together with the Commissioner. So, Madam Chair, with that being said, I move that today, April 29, we decide on this committee whether we open the box or we maintain the box intact and sealed.